To make lazy cinnamon syrup, you're gonna need a high-speed blender of some kind. And then what we're gonna do is just add 1 cup of simple syrup to our blender. I really like using this guy, the NutriBullet, because it's fast, it's very easy to clean, and I guess that's the only reason why. And then we're gonna use cinnamon. I like to use Ceylon cinnamon because this cinnamon syrup is incredibly flavorful. It's gonna be very, very, very cinnamon forward. It's not gonna be like that nuanced cinnamon syrup. This is gonna be a very like almost big red gum cinnamon. And so Ceylon's a little bit more delicate in flavor, so it's not overly cinnamony. And then I'm just gonna throw it in there like this, and we're just gonna blend it. So you just want to blend this until it's completely combined and the entire cinnamon stick is broken apart. All right, 15 to 30 seconds should do it. As you can see, it's all broken up here. And then we're just gonna let this infuse for about half an hour to an hour, and then we're gonna double strain this out. We let this sit to infuse, and as you can see, it basically separated, all the little bubbles are gone. And so now we just want to get all of that cinnamon out of it. Okay, so you want to get something that's going to fine strain. I'm using a nut milk bag to do this. It is just the best way to do it. You can also put it through just like a kitchen cloth, as long as you have a clean one. And then we're just going to pour this in here like so to get rid of all the little bits. We don't need all of it. And then we're going to take our syrup here and pour it into a container. Now this will last you about, give or take, 2 to 3 weeks, depending. Make sure you keep it in the refrigerator. Should we give it a taste? Drink straight out of the jigger. Yep, super cinnamony. Okay, just as a little tiny aside before I let you guys go, this type of cinnamon syrup, this lazy cinnamon syrup, might not necessarily be for every single cocktail because it is so vibrant in cinnamon flavor that it could overtake some nuanced flavor profiles in drinks. That being said, for my purposes, this works really, really well. And instead of making it over 24 hours, I can make it in about an hour or less. So there it is, lazy cinnamon syrup.